Hello, guys.
Hi,
My name is Vinayak,
I'm Kamini.
and we are Podniti.
Welcome to our podcast.
So, after 3-4 failed attempts of meeting this month and trying to shoot one day that we couldn't because why? वाइब नहीं आ रही थी उस दिन हमने एक छोटी सी बाइट वाइट शूट कर ली वीडियो क्यों नहीं आ रही दैट यू कैन सी ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम का रील
We'll post it here.
we have posted already
Hmm.
लिंक डाल देंगे अपन so I think we are doing Gary talk after a very long time
Yeah, pretty much. We've done like a few guests, etc. बीच में, but वो भी कम ही किए
वो भी
यार.
कमी आ नहीं पा रहे हैं यार लोग
3-4 हफ्ते से कहाँ थे हम विनायक? क्या हो रहा था? क्यों नहीं आ रहे थे? बताओ लाइफ अपडेट्स क्या है?
Life updates was crazy hectic work. Actually, two of the colleagues left.
Oh,
हाँ तो सारा वर्कलोड शिफ्ट हो गया हम
Yeah.
3 लोग हूँ इसमें से कि एक बंदे ने डायरेक्टली बोल दिया आई कैन ओनली कम ऑन संडेज यार आई कांट कम ऐसे दूसरे दिनों पर सो ये लाइक ठीक है अपन दो लोग मिलके पूरा संभालेंगे
संभालेंगे.
So out of I think 30 days, I worked for 18 or 19 days,
Hmm.
which was crazy hectic.
Because you also have like 24-hour
24 hour
shifts. That's
shifts,
insane.
yeah.
I could never
सो
imagine.
के उठने के बाद रियलाइज होता था कि भाई काफ में दर्द हो रहा है बहुत चल
Yeah,
लिया
valid.
और एट द सेम टाइम बहुत बैठ भी लिया तो दोनों
Yeah.
वो बैलेंस नहीं हो
लेट ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ।
Hmm.
नहीं लेटना तो भाई बस लेटते इतनी और इस बार तो नींद क्या अच्छी आती थी जब लेटो तब नींद जब लेटो तब नींद
Yeah.
सो ग्रेट
Valid.
क्रेजी एंड
But just to sort of bring people on why we're talking about our lives, Gary Talk is essentially a place where we give life updates and just catch up with each other. Catch up भी हमारा नहीं हो पा रहा
नहीं हो पा
था.
रहा था
एक महीने में नहीं हो पाया है.
हम हर महीने
So,
के लास्ट में मिलते अगले महीने की डेट्स डिसाइड करने
Yeah.
के लिए फरवरी में हमने जब मार्च की डेट डिसाइड करी सारे के नीचे से डी लिखा था डी वाज फॉर डाइसी
dicey. Yeah.
सारे डेट्स डाइसी और हर
Yeah.
दिन मिलने से पहले कल मिल रहा है नहीं
Yeah.
यार रहने देते हैं ये
Yeah.
काम है फिर कल मिल रहे हैं नहीं यार रहने
Yeah.
देते हैं ये काम है सो यार दैट
So it
वाज
got very difficult. What's been my life update? Because you will never ask me a question on the spot. So my life update is I've traveled quite a bit. I went to Bangalore. I went to Chennai. Chennai was work for one day, but it was so tiring. I died. Bangalore was great because I met friends. So that's my life update and a little bit of tea also. Is I met friends, not friends, but classmates like after 14 years.
Acquaintances.
At least 14 years, but straight, like no contact in between. We follow each other on social media, etc. But like हाय हेलो भी नहीं करते डीएम्स वीएम्स ऐसा कुछ नहीं है हमारा and one of them I met after 14 years and he's doing so well in life and I think I was a little bit of a bully to him in school
obviously
because me but I think just it was so nice to see like someone you grew up with be very well settled in life, very happy. The same ups and downs of adult life everybody has that's not married कि मिल नहीं रहा हो नहीं रहा क्या करना है यही करना
थक
है
गए यार
बट काम में मजा आ रहा है अच्छा लग रहा है
किसी नए से बात नहीं हो पा रही है
yeah, same. Everybody has the same issues. But it was very nice to hang out because also three of my friends that live in 3 corners of the world. One of them was in Canada and she was here for like one weekend. Like she was here for longer, but she was here for a wedding. And she had like 2 days free. So we were like, हम आ रहे हैं Bangalore. We don't care what you're doing, but you're hanging out with us. And we forced her.
Great.
That was very fun. Bangalore is a vibe always. We did Cubbon Park, we did Kormangla, Indra Nagar, and all of that.
Actually.
Arey yaar.
So I went to a concert
Your
week.
love date is there. Yeah.
Hmm.
First concert, no?
My first concert of my life, and that was Honey Singh. And I must say it
Crazy.
was crazy. Why? Number one, there are reasons. Number one, vibe. घुसने के
No
साथ
doubt.
ही जो
Palpable energy of 35,000 people.
35,000 people और plus the bass. पैर से जमीन से जब हिल रहा था.
Yeah.
Number two, सारे गाने आते.
Yeah.
Literally, there was not even
True,
a single
true.
song
Like
जो
you
हमने
know.
गाया और नाचा नहीं.
Yeah.
So I think I've become a concert guy now.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I went with a friend. तो पहले मैं उसको बार बार बोला था कि यार क्यों जाना है वगैरह वगैरह. Like तू रहने दे मैं ले चल रही हूँ तेरे को. She booked the tickets and everything.
Friend.
But still, I went and जैसे हनी सिंह की एंट्री हुई, I told her, "भाई you've spoiled me."
Valid.
हाँ, because
Yeah.
there is a vibe. You have to
Concerts
do
are
it.
a vibe, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. But I also feel like for me personally, I did concerts before concerts were a thing. I did concerts in like 2017 to 19 wale time pe, where I saw and ऐसे experiences ना जैसे I've heard Pratik Kuhad in Mysore for free. पर बारिश हो रही है धीरे धीरे
Oh.
and all of that. So how do you beat those experiences? I heard Diljit before Diljit became like
The
Dilluminati, concert gold standard before he became, and he would like get into crowd and dance. KOD में ये Kingdom of Dreams Gurgaon and all of this. JLN में
Oh.
he's performed in 2019. So which is why I can't do the whole hassle of 35,000 people. Sounds insane to me now. I can't.
But
For
Karan Aujla
nobody.
had 70,000 around people in Delhi.
भाई
People were breaking out.
1.5 किलोमीटर चल के गए लोग
मैं भी
अपनी
अभी
गाड़ी तक।
मैं भी
मैं
अभी
नहीं।
पार्किंग वाज अ हैसल। मैं भी अभी गया था।
Yeah.
But great.
So
I really liked it.
love it.
कट्टू हमारा ऐसा
और
हुआ-
विनायक ने मुझे पिच कैसे किया था योर हनी सिंह कॉन्सर्ट? इट्स अ सिट डाउन कॉन्सर्ट। वाज इट अ सिट डाउन कॉन्सर्ट विनायक?
We had seats. We had
उस सीट पे
seats.
चढ़ के लोग नाच रहे थे।
नाच रहे थे। हमने सीट छोड़ दी। हम सीट छोड़ के ऐसे मस्त स्टैंड्स में
Of
चले गए
course.
थे। But I think you should attend concerts जो आपको आते हो गाने।
Yeah,
But
for
just-
sure.
You should not just go for social media या only
Reel.
for vibe purpose.
Yeah, absolutely. That's absolute. वो तो है ही, क्योंकि तुम फिर बोर भी तो हो जाओगे।
Bore भी हो
वो तो अगर जैसे for example there's a lot of Lollapalooza artists that I personally don't listen to as much, which is why going to Lola does not make sense for me. But I know people that have been attending concerts like this, at least Pune, Mumbai वाले लोग तो weekender के time से, because they're वो all these niche bands they're fond of, they're fans of these, right?
Fans of these.
Like Linkin Park came, but people went for the reel, and it's a little bit of like, पर तुम एक reel के लिए इतने पैसे, इतना time,
But-
इतना मेहनत, एनर्जी खर्च करके, I could never, is my point.
नहीं, ठीक है।
But you
लोगों
do
की
you,
अपनी-
bro.
अपनी बात है।
हाँ.
Anyway, so
Any other tea? Do you have tea?
no, I don't think
I
so.
had lovely. हाँ.
What's been your recent obsession?
Oh, I have two, and you can judge me for it and call me anti-national or whatever. I don't care. But there was a show, Pakistani show, yeah, which I don't know why I got hooked, and I got everybody else also hooked onto it. It is Meri Zindagi Hai Tu with Hania Amir and Bilal Abbas. And from the
Bilal
day,
Abbas, सही।
Khan.
अच्छा, whatever.
And when have you seen the dude? Don't say whatever. But point being, when it started from day one, we've been watching it, and it got so annoying because they wanted to end on the Eid weekend. So they would not put out an episode, no information, and you're waiting entire weeks for it and stuff like that. And plot point also बीच में ऐसा हिला दिया. So it was a sad obsession.
Obviously.
बेकार में किया ये obsession because
Obviously.
Pakistani, yeah, stupid. But anyway, तो वो था एक obsession. The other is Co-Star, and I've gotten Vinayak hooked onto it
Yeah,
today.
today was my first day on CoStar. 5 लाइनें पढ़ी है मैंने, पांचों सही।
Yeah. So Co-Star is basically this app that Riya Bansali, shout out, got me hooked onto. It does like astrology stuff based on your date of birth and time of birth and all of that. Crazy accurate. Okay, there's a column called do's and don'ts, which might be like here and there because it is for me. But the description that it gives you for your day is crazy accurate, and I recommend कि दिन खत्म होने के बाद पढ़ो.
So that you know.
Yeah, कि you're like, oh, अच्छा, this is what it meant, etc. Because if you read पहले, assuming कि अच्छा ऐसा होने वाला है, I'm not sure that turns out true or not because I've done both of the things. But crazy when it's over your day or you're going through your day and read it in the middle of it, crazy, mad accurate. So
But on
Co-Star-
important days पहले पढ़ लो।
हाँ, could do that. I haven't tested that yet. Tarun Chaudhary, should we ask him?
Tarun
So
Chaudhary
okay, we
vlog
driving. Tarun vlogs 3445.
is just beside us.
3445, and Tarun Chaudhary 00 on Instagram is right next to us. So Tarun, if you're watching, let's do a pod, bro. You sound like a cool person. Okay,
पूरी गाड़ी में इतना मस्त बड़ा बैनर लगा रखा है, तरुण चौधरी vlog, like great.
love it. Are we doing that on the next one ever?
No.
Please no. Okay, all right. That's been my latest obsession, and we'll see. I think your next obsession, I know, Vinayak, should be to get episodes of Podniti out every week. Make it your
मैं तो
obsession.
मस्त भूल जाता हूँ भाई।
Yeah.
हर
completely.
वीक में मेरे को काम दिया रहता है, ये करना है। एक दो काम करता हूँ मैं एकदम ढंग से, उसके बाद कौन
आया ही नहीं
निकल ही जाता है।
या इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ मैं तो बट यार
बट वो यार वो है ना कि चैट में से नीचे चला जाता है, so that you
ही इज पिन्ड
tend
आवर
to
चैट
forget.
बाय द वे पॉडनीति
And
चैट
still-
इज पिन्ड एंड
and
सब ये
still-
हाल है 4 रिमाइंडर देती हूँ मैं रोज एवरी मॉर्निंग
हुआ
बिफोर
अपडेट्स question
Yeah.
mark
gone.
still gone.
He has friends, he attends concerts. It's okay. On that note,
Yeah. On that note,
get gossip for us next week and we'll forgive you. ठीक है,
Okay.
चलो.
See
See
you.
you.